Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to your mathematics classroom. I am Lawal Adetunji, your mathematics tutor. To our returning viewers, welcome back. To our new viewer, please do well to press the subscribe button, turn on the notification button. Do well to share the link with your friends. We have more than 100,000 people writing this exam. Let it go wide. And welcome to Neco 2025 final revision for mathematics. Our member, they know whenever we say final revision mathematics, they know that we are talking about what you are expecting as a candidate, 95% of what you're expecting in the following day, because this time around we have less than 12 hours to write the exam, so the next few hours. So what am I saying now? We want to start. The question you are seeing on your screen, I'll pick up my pen, you also pick up your pen, pick up your book, and let's start doing revision. Here on this platform, we revise with our own candidate, our student, our viewers, because here we have a lot of tutors, and our own is to make sure we do the needful by teaching our viewers, especially those that are candidates, what they need for the examination they want to write. Now, we working with the information with us. Let's have this question solved, and let's be happy tomorrow as we are writing the exam. All right, you can see this question on your screen. It said the dimension of a square is given as 6.25 centimeter, and a student measure one side of the square as 6.12 centimeter to calculate the perimeter and the area of the square. They say you find the percentage error in the measured length and calculated perimeter and calculated area. It's a very simple question. Let's go there. Let me pick up my, as usual, you see my paper. Though there will be some cases that maybe there's something I will have done behind the screen because I don't want the video to be too long. Please do well to watch the video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any part. I don't write in the exam. So I'm here to give out all the information you need. Now I have my paper with me. I have full, I call it solution. We are going to solve all the possible questions with us, and we know by God's grace all of us are very happy. So we have actual given. They say the actual length. The actual length in the question is 6.25 centimeter, and the one that has to be measured length. The measured length is what? Don't worry about my writing, but you can hear my voice. I don't want the video to be too long, that's why I'm rushing. But please be with your pen and pen book or what you need, because I'll be throwing some questions to you. I don't know that will give me the feedback. I have the what? I have my what do you call it? Actual length, measured length, and the question says we should find the what? The percentage error in measuring the length. The very simple thing, whenever you talk about error, I don't want us to drag the issue. Error will be talking about the measured length minus actual length over what? Actual length times 100. But you need to buy it because it may be a case of minus. Minus must not affect your answer. What am I saying? That is, minus will not appear in your answer. That's what I'm saying directly. So I've given you a formula. Now follow the suit. Now your measured 6.12, your actual 6.25 over 6.25. Without wasting time, press calculator, put something on ground, and put the answer in the comment box, because don't be surprised that I may be too fast giving the answer, because I don't want the video to be too long. I want it to be very something short, meaningful, and communicating to everyone. So that's what I got as my answer. Prove it, check, put your answer in the comment box in case you have anything different. I answer question 1A1 or 1A, any they call it. 1B, they say we should find that of what? The error in the what? The error in where? In the perimeter, calculated perimeter. Please be focused. We are going to solve all the question. Just be focused. Be focused. So calculate the same error in the same way again. Since we are talking about perimeter. You know what perimeter is all about? Perimeter is, is a square. And when you talk about square, all the sides are equal. Since that is all what you are having times 4 for the actual length, multiplied by 4. For the measured length, multiplied by 4. I don't know if somebody is getting my language. I should take it again. Multiply this by 4, multiply this by 4. When you multiply the 2 by 4, you'll be having the following response. I don't want us to take time. It's a perimeter and it's a square. All the sides are equal. So perimeter, they said calculate. We are talking about the what? Error that will occur in the perimeter. Calculated perimeter. So error that will occur there. So from there, I'm going to come up with error. I don't want to go back to the formula again. See the same formula, but number will change. this time around my perimeter under the measured will become 24.48, and that of the other side, the measured length will become 25. So over 25, I will put my modulus there to guide the minus. If you do it very well, I'll still get the same answer, 2.08%. You also, if I'm too fast, calm down, play back and watch again. I don't want the video to be too long because mathematics question is plenty, and I want everything to be set so that all of us will be very happy. So going to the C part of this, that's talking about area. You know what area means? All the four sides are equal. So when you talk about area of square, that is one side square, that is L square, actual length square, measured length square. You know what it means? That is my measured area. My measured area becomes measured length square. Measured length square. You know what it means? That is 6.12 square. For the other one, area, actual area will be what? Area. Those of you that are just joining, please, sorry, that's will be actual length. Please press the subscribe button, turn on the equation button, share the link with your friends, please share and share. So I'll be having 6.25 square. What will be the answer? Squaring this one, I'm having 37.45 centimeters square. Squaring this one, I'm having 39.0 centimeters square. So I think I have achieved it now. So let's go and use the existing formula. And when I say the existing formula, you know what it means? I believe you can see my screen as well. So error becomes, so the measured minus actual, that is, I'm having 37.45 minus 39.06 over 39.06 times 100. If you do it very well, at the end of the day, press your calculator, take your time. I told you minus will disappear because of those bar. 4.12%. And that's how I said question number 1. Let me give you time to go through and see what I've done. See the way I did 1A, 1B, and 1C. Just use your calculator also to guide. And that's how I settled that one. Thank you. As I move to question 2. You can see your question 2 clearly. My question 2 here, they say we should, wow, those of you that you are doing further mathematics, I greet you, congratulations. That's an advantage on your own side. But those of you that you are not doing further mathematics, don't worry, everything will be settled here. Alright, we go. We have the integral ranges 1 to 3 for 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2 dx. So let's do it together. It's very simple. I'm going to do it because of those that are not doing further mathematics. Now look at it, it's very simple. They said we have the integral ranging from where 1 to 3, that is 4x cubed minus 3x squared. That is what they are telling us, that mathematics is getting advanced every day. Those of you that are not offering further mathematics, start offering further mathematics. Most of the further mathematics topics are now entering mathematics. Now, this is the rule for those of you that are just coming. But though this is not the classroom, we have videos on this topic, calculus. Please check our playlist. When you are done with your exam, go through it and go and study that. But because of you don't need to write this. I'm just giving you as a clue. The rules for doing that one is that ax n plus 1 over n plus 1. A means the coefficient of x. N means the power of x. Whenever you add that power, add 1 to it. When you add 1 to it, whatever you have here, you also have it here. That is n plus 1 again. You have it here. That is, take here now. I have 4x cubed. If I add 1 to it, it becomes 4x raised to power 4. And that 4, bring it under. That is, I'm now going to have 4x4 over 4. Same thing, if you understood what I've just said. If you understood what I just said, do the same thing for 3 minus 3x squared. And for 2, leave that to have explained that one to you. I will explain that one to you. So from there, if you do that one right, you also have 3x3 over 3. For that of 2, I will tell you, for any time you have constant, just put that letter at the back of that number. 2x. Yes, as I was saying, our people that are not offering for mathematics, just as we're following that Montessori style. Let's keep on following that Montessori style. Alright, like I told you, for the issue of constants, whenever you say constant and they ask you to integrate constant, just put that letter at the back of that number, and that's what I did here. So now let's finish it. 4 cancel 4, right? So I'm having x4. 3 cancel 3. I'm having s cube plus what? Plus 2x. You will now say plus c. I have integrated. They now give us condition. Range 1 to 3. How do you operate range? See my hand. That is from 1 to 3. How do we do it? You don't need to struggle yourself. Four of us, this is upper range. This is the lower range. Four of us put the upper range. That is, it means that when s is 3, replace all the x. When you are done with that one, you also do when s is 1. You do that one, you now subtract it, and that's it. So let's do it together to see what I'm talking about. I want to do the first one. That's when s is, maybe I should break it down because of you. When s is 3. So I'll be having 3, 4 minus 3, 3 plus 2 times 3. Let me have it separate. Here will be when s is, maybe when s is 1. Since I have space. So I need this minus. Okay. I'm writing this thing because of those that are not offering for the mathematics. But those that are offering for the mathematics, they understand what I'm saying. That I don't need to put this, understand this thing. But I'm just putting there. So what I want to do at this side, I will do when s is 1. So 1 raised to power 4 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 times 1. Use bracket to separate all of them. So I think I've told you the meaning of this now. I can remove this thing so that the thing will look professional. If you do it very well, when you get this side very well, press your calculator and put your answer in the comment box. We are doing it together. Put your answer in the comment box. We are doing it together. When you apply this one very well, you will get 48 here. And when you apply this one very well, you will get minus 2. So 48 plus 2. Answer is 50. Confirm the answer and put the answer in the comment box. I have answered question 1 together. I have answered question 2. I may, if the video is getting longer, I may be cutting it so that it will be something we'll be able to understand. Someone like me, so I don't like something be too long. So I will, maybe if it is too long, I will see, maybe I'll cut it, but I will tell you to follow this. Please always check my comments. Check the comment box. I will put in messages there that will be directing you. I will be pinning messages there for you to be following, and likewise it will also help you for help you for what next, the remaining things, the remaining informations. I'll be giving some information also with my mouth, and likewise some will be written inside the comments. All right, I've settled 2a. Now let's go to 2b. The 2b question is all about logarithm, and let's do it together. I hope you are following. I hope you are not just looking. Be right. That's why I say you calm down, pick up your pen. We are doing it together. We are not writing exam. I'm not writing an exam, but we need to what? We need to help ourselves. So 2b, they gave us a question about logarithm. So let me have the question. It said log 5x minus 6 minus log 2x minus 3 equals to 1. Look at it now. According to the rule of logarithm, when you have minus separating minus, it can also bring out the division sign. Now this 5x minus 6. Please, if you try to watch we have content on logarithm as well in our playlist. If after your exam, you can go through it and watch. Equals to 1. According to the rule of logarithm, log a base a is 1. So let's, anytime we are given log and they do write base, that's base 10. So which means log base 10, 5x minus 6 over 2x minus 3 is equals to log 10 base 10. See my hand? Log cancel log. It becomes your normal mathematics. Equals to 10. When you cross multiply, don't mind me, I will be jumping steps. I want to know if you are following me. I want to be seeing your comment in the comment section. When you cross multiply, what do you have? I'll be having 5x minus 6 equals to 10 to bracket 2x minus 3. So how far we have 5x minus 6 equals to 20x minus 30. collect your like times 5x minus 20x equals to minus 30 plus 6, which is minus 15x equals to what? Minus 24. If you are right, make x formula minus 24 over minus 15, which means x, when you cut and cut, now 3 goes here 8, 3 goes here 5. Our s is 5. We settle 1, we settle 2. We settled 1, we settled 2. We are making progress. We are making progress. Now I'm going to question number 3. Alright, let's go to number 3. I hope as you are watching, as you are joining, please press your subscribe button. Turn on your notification button, share the link, put your comment in the comment box. Let us continue enjoying ourselves with this revision. Feel relaxed, pick your pen and continue enjoying it. If this video you are watching is the first time you are watching it, please press your like and share button. Click on your notification button and press your subscribe button. Put comment in the comment section. Let's go. Now we are going to question 3. We have solved question 1 and 2. We don't have time to waste. Question 3 is statistics. I'm putting it here. I don't need to waste time. I will just go on. I have my table. They call it mark. They call it mark. I need to create my x, which is the midpoint. I need to have my frequency, which is f. Here we go. We have 1 to 10. We have 11 to 20. 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. And we have, you know what we call midpoint? Lower plus upper divided by 2. Now follow that suit. I've given you the clue. 1 plus 10 divided by 2. 1 plus 10, 11. 11 divided by 2, that's the clue. Follow and put your answer in the comment box. No time, please. So because I will be fast. 15.5, 25.5, 35.5, 45.5. Please follow suit. Put your answer in the comment box and let me confirm your answer. They gave us frequency in the question as 8, 10, 8, 22, and 12. Now the first question said we should find what? Find the mean. The formula for mean, everybody knows that the formula for mean is summation fx over summation f. So we go by that. Our mean, the first question, summation, that is mean is called summation fx over summation f. That is, we need fx. Let's create a column for fx. F and x. F and x. You can see my hand. F and x. But I pray this table should contain what I want to do. If the table does not contain, you see me merging papers together. But no problem, let's continue. Where are we? F times x. Let's go. This is my x. This is my f. Let's go. I'll be having 44. I'll be having 155. I'll be having 204. I'll be having 781. You also confirm with your calculator. Confirm. Press calculator. Put your answer in the comment section, please. Comment box. I'm expecting your response. Yes. So I need a total for this. Put your answer in the comment box. If you sum it up, I will have this. If you sum it up, I will have this. It's like I'm too fast. Let me calm down a little bit. Good. Let me calm down a little bit. I hope you are following. So this times this gave us this. This, are you there? This times this gave us this. This times this gave us this. This times this, and so on like that. Are we together? That's what it's all about. Now we need, from there we can find our mean. 1730 over 60. Press the calculator and put your answer in the comment section and wait for a few seconds. When you do it, we get 28.83. Try it, confirm your answer. I have answered the first question. That's how we should find the mean. Now I'm going to variance. We have video on statistics on this channel. Please do go to check our playlist on mathematics and pick up your own. Now maybe after exam really. So for you to prepare for your higher institution. Our post-UTME class also have started. You can chat. You will see the contact of the CEO. They contact through WhatsApp and we discuss. Alright. So now for variance, I need to talk about variance. When we talk about variance, the formula for variance is the square of standard deviation, which means when you talk about variance, the formula for variance is summation f into bracket x minus mean square over summation f. That's the formula for variance. This type of question also came out in economics that was written yesterday. So that's the formula for variance, telling you that we need column for x minus mean, we need column for x minus mean square, and we need column for f times x minus mean square. Though I have limited space here, but I will guide you and also join paper. So that is, I need a column for x minus mean, x minus mean. I also need a column for x minus mean square. Don't worry, I will join paper like I told you. I will create a paper, I will join a paper that will also lead me to search here. I will also need I'll create a paper that will join me, that will help me out, which means I will need f. If this place rule out, I will have f x minus mean square. I think I have spoken sense here now. So how can we get x minus mean? This is your x, midpoint, minus your mean. 5.5 minus 28.83. Press your calculator and put your answer in the comment box. 5.5 minus 28.3. If you have done it right, we have minus 23.3. If you have done it right, you have that. So when you square it, what will you have? When you square it, you will have 544.29. I want you to also confirm it. Please confirm, press it. Don't just press it. It's a classroom. Put your answer in the comment section. There may be error as well. Anybody can make mistake. So I want us to work on perfect things here. So now this answer times f. This answer times f. That is 8 times 544.29 is 29. Yes. So what will I have when I multiply that? I have 4354.32. You also follow suit and do the rest. I'll be waiting for your response in the comment section, because now I will rush the rest. Since I've given you the clue, I can move with speed now. 17.69, and here I have 1776.9. Here I have 11.09. You may wonder about this one. I have left this place for you to fill it by yourself, and let me see it in the comment box. Fill it by yourself. I want to see in the comment box, because you must fill everything. 88.72. I have 44.49, and I have 978.78, and lastly I have 277.89. I have 3334.68. Now this is the place I need that we need to add up. Now you can take your time to watch. For those of you that want to skim through it, want to take the shot, let me move my camera closer to it. Now can you see the table? Can you see? You are the one that will fill that one. So this is the first one we did. This is where we are going to. We are almost there. So when you sum up this with your calculator, my own calculator gave me this. Check your own calculator so that my calculator will not be the one having error. So I have this one as the total. So I'm going to place it here as I'm going to the final answer. I have 10533.4 over summation f, which is 60 over 60. When you press your calculator very well, what do you have? Press your calculator. If you do it very well, you have 175.56 as your answer. You have started question 1, question 2, question 3. I'm going to question 4. Now, this video you are watching, I know it is too. It's like it's about to be too long. I will call the video now on this question 3. As I'm stopping this video on question 3, that's the reason why I will call this one video you are watching. I will put 1 at its front. I will put 1 at its front. So telling you the next one you are going to see, you will see 2 at its front. Talking about title. Also check your comment section, because we have our WhatsApp channel. That's where we discuss anything like objective. In our WhatsApp channel, that's where we discuss anything objective. But here on YouTube, we discuss anything theory. There's something that you will write down, that you mark your steps, that is something physical. We go on here. Are we there now? So as I'm dropping this video now, I'll be expecting you as we continue from number 4, and like that. That's how we are going to take everything till down. Please turn on the notification button, press share the link. Let us be plenty, let us benefit from all these things, let all of us benefit. As I'm dropping it, I say bye for now. I'm waiting for you in the next video. Right now I continue with number 4 in the next video.